Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Actually, today we're gonna go to Si Dasht, right? Look at guy over there. Wow, fantastic. With this bad boy. All right, we're going.
Fine.
Great. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, some beverages over there. Gonna buy some fruits, bananas, right? Oranges. What else? What else? Watermelon. How about garlic?
Was a stare that was vacant and cold. Where did the spark go? The warmth that once stole my soul.
Guys, look at that guy. Such guy over there. Old generation and new generation. Look at him. After 1 hour driving, he's exhausted. What's yeah, guys, look at me. I'm doing everything. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, sleep. He's going to sleep. Enjoy it. A little bit, we are hungry.
Not a little bit.
And not a little bit.
Not a little.
We are starving right now, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 skewers of kebabs, 2 skewers of tomatoes. I cannot wait. Let's go. Let's go. Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Go ahead.
Hi guys.
Sajjad, how's it going? Where are we, Sajjad?
We are in Si Dasht.
Where is it located?
It's in Root Bar.
It's absolutely spectacular, guys. It's fantastic. We just had kebabs. I made kebabs. He ate kebabs. And now we are just chilling here, right?
Yeah.
All right, Sajjad, to your followers, don't you want to teach them an idiom?
Yeah, when we came here, actually, guys, we passed through very dangerous roads. It's actually at the top of the mountain, and you must be a really careful driver. And I'm a really professional driver, as you know.
Yes.
And
When pigs fly.
yeah.
No, okay, no. Seriously,
guys.
he's a fantastic driver. He's very careful.
Thank you. When we came here, this reminded me of an idiom, off the beaten track, or
The American version of that is gonna be off the beaten path, right? That one apparently is British.
yeah,
I'm not sure whether it is British or not. Is it British?
apparently,
Really?
yeah.
The American version of that is off the beaten path. What does it mean, Sajjad?
It means to be away from the noisy and busy area of town and to be in a peaceful place like this nature. Have fun, guys.
This is too cold. That tea is too cold. Like half an hour ago. All right, guys, stay tuned. We will have more idioms. Sajjad, do you think that we should go live
Yeah,
so that other people can join us and practice speaking?
yeah, of course.
Really?
I mean,
Okay. we cannot schedule it.
Yeah.
Guys, what do you think?
We can even do it here. I love these beautiful places like here or some other places. I don't know. You can kill two birds with one stone. Enjoying the nature and also
Very
practice
nice idiom.
speaking.
What does it mean?
Killing two birds with one stone, it means that to reach two purposes together. Yeah,
Wow.
to do two things together. You're so impressed, guy.
Wow.
Wow.
Where are you from, Si Dasht?
I'm from India.
Alright guys, have a great time.
Have a great time.